This is a NOCO Genius GM Pro 10 times 4. This means 4 batteries will be charged at the same time. The heavy monster. Alright, this is what happened to this one. The customer tried how to make the wire longer, and he cut them in the wrong place. So like what he did to here, you can see, but here he cut them after this plastic. This is look like it's just a plastic, right? But there is a chip on it that's still in the unit to give the charge to the battery or to stop the charge in the battery. Basically this one it doesn't have. This one is just a plastic. It's moving, see it? But there is one exactly like this one. Not this one. It's this one here. You see this plastic part here? It's look like it's just a plastic. But this is, see, there is two of them. You see this plastic? There is two of them. So one is okay, you move it and there's nothing connected to it, and one is sitting here. And this look like it's fine if you cut the cord from here and make the long cords, should be charging the battery fine, but that's not going to happen. The NOCO, they put a chip inside this plastic that's telling the battery to charge or to stop charging. How smart to put a chip here, and you know the cord can be get damaged, and if you look closely there's a little pin, that's the chip, this one here, the component that will tell the battery to charge or to stop charging. So there is the other, all the cords they have the same thing. But the customer cut these wires in a wrong spot. Try to make them longer and cut them in a wrong spot. But the good thing, he figured out that something goes wrong quick, and he get back, try to get, can see he soldered, I don't know, this is the wire soldered here. He put these two over there, and we have these tiny two wires. But these two wires, they should connect to a chip. But these ones, it's no more charge in the battery. This is what I did so far. Let me show you. So this is the piece, and I want to see what kind of the chip in it. So I cut it open. And you can see there is a small component. This one here. Let's go to the microscope and we see it as well. You see this chip? That's what is telling the unit to charge the battery or to stop charging the battery. Basically, this is the temperature sensor. If the wires get very hot, this one here is going to tell the unit to stop charging. But the device is going to need to read the resistance on this to give the battery charge. If the unit detecting no resistance here in this between these two wires, it's not going to charge the battery. On this setup, we can find it in many batteries, in many lithium batteries, not just the acid battery. This one, yeah, this one here they use usually for the big acid battery, like if you have many batteries, RVs, or boat, or many devices. And we can find that chip in the laptop batteries, the old and new batteries. So this is like over 20 years old Dell battery, ready to get apart. And looks here, exactly the same chip. You see it? Let's go to the microscope. You find this temperature sensor like somewhere close to the battery, like detecting how hot is the battery. In case if the battery is running hot, the unit is going to stop sending the charge to the battery before it's causing a fire. So what we have now, we have to solder this one back. And you can see it's marked as AT. The T is for the temperature. So you can see the brown wire is connecting to this chip and connected to the black wire. That's what it should be. The temperature sensor should be connected to the ground from one side, from the black to the brown wire. We have two ohms, so here there is one connection. There is any connection to this side of the resistor or temperature sensor is a 63 ohm. This one here, so the red shouldn't be connected to this side. No, it's not connected. Okay, it's good. Basically the brown, we're gonna run the wire from here to this point, to the black wire. Then we'll run another wire from here to here, and we'll take this So the red one is connected to the brown, and it will connect to the ground. And this one connects one side here. This side it should be connected to here, and it should be connected to the ground as well. let's test this monster charger. Okay. So this is the one that we fixed. We add the temperature sensor. And we are going to put a tape around it after we test it. So let's follow this wire to see where it's go. This is the wire that we fixed. Let's go here and let's go to the number. This is number 1. I'm gonna use this small battery, 12-volt battery, the acid battery, and we'll check if it's gonna charge. Alright, you see the light? So it's detecting the battery, and you can see it's flashing like it's charging. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, I can see now is going to the 50%. 13-volt, 7.4, 7.5, 7.6, 'and it shows a full charge. Okay, let me try the other one. Maybe it has less charge. Yeah, I think the kids, they were using these batteries. I got them from the kids' scooter, and they left it on the charge. So the batteries already have a full charge percent. And let's see here. 13-volt. 5, 2, 3, 4, 'Yep, it's charging. Yeah, the batteries already have like over 13-volt. This is a 12-volt battery. They have over 13-volt. It means it's a full charge. 13.4. What is want to see just if the system is going to start charging the battery. But yes, it does. We'll test another one. Yep. This is the one that I took apart to get to see what the chip they are using. And let's see this one, I think. This one here. Yep, you can see it. It's gonna go quick to the 100% because the battery has a charge. Yep, the battery is a full charge. Yep, it's the green one. Here, let's check it. Bring me the phone and check a picture, or give me my phone. Alright, this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you again.